Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of too many requests on the application of Pinterest. We go to settings. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Pinterest app. In this page of app info we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Here you can turn on your airplane mode, and you can turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time, and thank you for your watching.